What do you think about that dirt? Does it taste good? Got a little bit in her mouth. Oh, oh.
Watch out.
Whoa, nope, nope, nope. That little tiny bit you got in there is enough. Working on the garden. Aliza's helping by checking out the dirt for us, sampling it. Sampling it. Oh, nope. Hey, Aliza. Aliza, look here. Hey, is it good? Huh? Is it good? Oh, no.
I know.
Oh, no.
It's in her tongue.
Oh, no. Don't eat it. That's going to be impossible, Mom. Since I eat everything now. Oh, we better go clean ya. Oh, no.
Yeah, you're wearing white, kiddo.
Oh, no. She likes the dirt. No, let's go this way. Woo. Let's go this way. Woo. Nope. She's attracted to it. Future gardener right here. You like it? Liza. Hey. Hi. You like it, huh? Yep.